So step 1, wiki.processing.org/w/android with a capital A, and then you go here to find the Android SDK, and if you're running Windows you try this one, installer r16 windows.exe. And then when it's downloaded, you run it. So this is an important step. If you don't have the Java SDK, you must get it, and here's a link for that. So be sure to download JDK and not JRE. And usually you should select this JDK 7 Windows i586. And run the JDK Java Development Kit installation when it's downloaded. Okay, after some clicks you should have installed the Java, and then you should get back to the Android installation. So if you can't click next, you might have to click back first and then you click next, because now that the JDK is installed, you can click next to continue, and then just click next to install the SDK. Finished. So now you should have the SDK installed. However, this was the fast part. Now comes a part that takes a long time, because the tools you have here are not enough. You have to import a lot, which takes some time. So first you just wait until it gets some information about what's installed and not installed. So here comes an important step, and it might take quite long time to download all the packages. It could take an hour. So be sure you don't have to use the computer for a while when you do this. But what's important here is that you have to install some extra packages. And for example, this Android SDK platform tool, if it says it's not installed, you must check that box. And then, very important, you have to go down a little. You have to go down to Android 2.2, expand it, and here you have to select SDK platform and Google API. So you have to click SDK platform, and you must also check Google APIs. And then you have to scroll down to something called extras, and under extras make sure that Google USB driver package is installed. And while this is done, you click install 10 packages. and then you could check accept all and install. And installing these packages, it can take, I guess it can take at least half an hour. So if it's faster, you're lucky, but just wait. So it didn't work at first, but I will try to install tools for Android 2.1 API 7 as well. Hopefully that will work. So when the installation is done, you can launch processing, and you can go into Sketch, for example, file examples, and you can try image and the load image example, and you click run in emulator, and hopefully Android emulator will start and show this the program. The emulator will start on your PC. Sometimes it takes a lot of time. It says now lost connection with device while launching, try again. This is quite common because it takes a long time for the emulator to start. Now the emulator is starting, so what you usually do is you wait and wait and wait. It can take up to 3-4 minutes for the emulator to start, and then while it has started, then you can try to run in emulator again, and then you should have it all up and running.